Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back in another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's for Far Cry 5 on the Xbox One. So I picked this up today. I've got 20% discount at work, so well, for this week, because it's nearly Easter. So yeah, I ended up paying, they were selling it for 44, and with my discount taken off, I ended up paying £35 for it, which was pretty good. So yeah, looking forward to playing this. I'm not really too sure on the co-op side of it, because I think they've sort of messed that bit up a bit, where if somebody joins you, only the person that's hosting gets the achievements and the progress for it, which is a bit silly in my opinion, but there you go. So on the front, we've got, I believe that's Joseph Seed, one of the protagonists or something. So, but yeah, as you can see, Xbox One X enhanced, so looking forward to playing this on my One X. It's done by Ubisoft as well, so yeah. So it's based in Hope County, Montana, which is a fictional place, I think. So, trust, pray, obey. Welcome to Hope County, Montana. So, yeah. So there's the specs. Install size is up to 60 gig. Inside we have the disc. We have a thing about Far Cry Arcade. This thing about the season pass. And a thing about the books. And this is the manual. Well, I'll say manual. Not really a manual, is it? So yeah guys, that's my rather quick unboxing of Far Cry 5. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now guys, I'll talk to you later. Cheers, bye bye.